My name is Lee Westcott. I'm a Michelin-star chef, and this is Best of British with Billy Tannery. I want to champion goat meat because it's quite well known in non-Western countries, but for some reason it's not really championed much in Western countries. And I think that's a real shame because it's a beautiful product, and I just think it should be more widely used. The dish that we're making today is some lovely kid goat rack. That's just going to be straight barbecued, and we're serving that with some white and green Wye Valley asparagus, with some beautiful barbecued peas, dressed with some lovely fresh rapeseed flowers and some sorrel emulsion. For me, goat meat is similar to lamb, but it's slightly on the more sweeter side and more of a mild flavour. The kid goat rack, I'm going to French trim the bones, clean them up, and then I'm going to dress that in a little bit of rapeseed oil, season it with some molten salt and some pepper, and I'm going to just grill that nice and slowly on the fat side, render that fat, and then just keep turning that meat on the barbecue until it's nice and pink inside. Let it rest, let all those juices flow out nicely, and then simply carve it.